Good morning, grade twos.
Good morning.
Good morning.
How are you this morning?
We are blessed of the Lord and highly favored.
I am blessed too. I'm sure everyone has written the date for today, Friday, 15 January 2021, and we are going to have an English lesson. English, can you copy this down? English, and our topic is phonics. Phonics, right? English, that is the topic. The subject is English, and we are going to learn about phonics. Phonics. Let us write it down. Please take your time, copy nicely, and write neatly. Okay.
Phonics.
English phonics. Yes, we are going to learn about phonics. We are going to do a lot of reading as well. We are creating words and then we are going to read them.
Phonics.
Well, phonics.
I'm done.
You are done? Good, Vanessa. Liam, please face this side. I don't know who you are talking to there. Someone is disturbing you. I don't know who is that. Is it?
I'm done.
Okay, you are done. Who is also
I'm done.
Brian, you are done? Kiara, are you done writing? Are you done writing?
I cannot see you.
What about now, Kiara? If you can see me, please write. You still cannot see me? Lutando, can you see me? Lutando?
I cannot see you.
Oh, sorry about that, Kiara. I think there's a problem with your device. Kiara? Now can you see me?
No.
English phonics. 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 Are you done?
I'm done.
You are done, okay?
Yeah.
And Mr. Liam, you are moving up and down, Liam. Now I can see your knees.
I can see you.
You still cannot see me, Kiara?
I can.
Or you can see me? Okay.
No. Cannot see you.
Okay, good. Today we are going to learn about the sound. The sound. Let's say sound together. Sound.
Sound.
Let's do it together. Let's say together. Together. Sound. The sound has a CH. Okay? There is a device that is making noise for us. I don't know whose device is that. Sound. Okay? Okay, the device, the sound is gone. The cha-cha sound. Okay. All right. The sound has a CH. Let's all say CH.
CH.
Yes. I want you to think about words that start with the sound in English. Which ones are those words? That start with the CH
Change.
sound. Yes.
Yes,
Palesa. Yes.
Change.
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 Good. Palesa, another sound, another word.
Change.
Sound.
Change.
Chain.
Chain.
Yes.
Yes, teacher.
Yes, fellow. Yes,
Chick.
fellow. You say
Chicken.
chick. 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 Another word. Ryan. What about Ryan? What about Kiara? Look for this. Chicken. Good. Chicken. Good. Another word. Chicks. Yes, Liam. Another word.
Chicks.
Chicks. Good, Liam. Chicks. You, all of you. We call you. What we call you? You are.
Chocolate.
Palesa is saying you are chocolate. Yes, chocolate is correct. You are.
Chocolate.
You are children. Children. Yes, Palesa is talking about chocolate. Good, Palesa. Good, chocolate. Yes.
Another one.
Another word. Yes, Palesa. Chalk. Chalk. Yes, Stalo. Another word. Yes, Stalo. Cheek. Check. Good.
Check.
There is something that you love to eat. You put it in bread. You put it in bread. Start with a what is that? It's yellowish in color. The reds love it.
You are beautiful.
Thank you, Palesa. The reds love it. What do you call it? You put it in bread. You put it in bread. What do you call it?
Jam.
It's not jam. No, start with a What is it?
Chili. Chili.
Chili, yes, chili, but it's not chili. Cheese. Cheese. Yes. Reds love cheese. Yes, Kiara. Another word?
Chips and children.
Chips and children. We all love chips. You remember Mrs. Chimuka's chips?
Yes.
Yes. You've forgotten Mrs. Chimuka's chips. They start with the chips. Good. Now, I want us to read these words. Now, let's read words that I've written that start with a All right. You put up your hand if you know the word. I'm going to read it in a phonic sound. I want you to read it fully. Okay. My number word is chair. Chair. What is that word? Chair. What is that word? Yes, Luyando. Read it, Luyando. Che. Good, Luyando. Che. Good. Number 2, chores. Chores. What is that word? Chores. Chores. Yes. Chores. Yes, Stella. Chores. Yes. Chores. Chores. How many of us do chores here at home? Chores are cleaning, sweeping. Maybe you help your parents with you wash your plate. Yes. How many of us do chores?
I can't hear you.
You can't hear me? Yes, Kiara. You cannot hear me?
I was not finished. I can't hear you, teacher.
Oh, sorry.
I can't hear you.
You can't hear me? All of you cannot hear me?
I hear you.
You can hear me? Ryan?
We hear you. We
Ryan,
hear
can you hear
you.
me?
Yeah, I can.
Liam, can you hear me?
Marvin.
Liam, can you hear me?
Marvin.
Oh, Liam is calling Malvin there.
I can't hear my teacher. Nice.
Okay. Malvin, ask Malvin to help you there. Okay. All right, let's go to number 3. Who can read number 3? It's change. What's that word? Change. What is that word? Yes, Palesa?
Change.
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 Yes. Change. Good. I told you that we'll be doing phonics. We create words and we also read. Okay, we are also reading as well. Let's go to number 4. Who can read number 4? Cheer. Cheer. What is that word? Anyone who can read it completely? Fully?
Chief.
Yes,
Chief.
Fernando. Chief. Good. Chief. How many of us know a chief? Do you know a chief?
We know a chief.
What is a chief? Anyone who can tell us what is a chief?
Teacher. A
Yes,
leader.
Kiara.
I was not finished.
You're not finished. Okay, Kiara. You're not finished where? Okay, let me hear Kiara. A leader. Yes, Luyando. Someone is telling you, Luyando, I can see there is someone in front of you. Yes. Someone is next to you. You are looking at that person. I can see you, Luyando. I can see. Okay, Kiara.
Someone was here.
Yes, yes. Kiara?
That was my head.
Okay, Luyando. Kiara, what were you saying?
I was not finished to writing.
To write which word? This one, the phonics.
Yes.
Okay, let's give Kiara a chance to write. Write, Kiara, there you go. Phonics.
I cannot see you.
Oh, no. Kiara. If you can see me, please tell me.
I can see you, teacher.
Who is it that cannot see me?
I can see you, teacher.
Is
I
it?
can see you, teacher.
Is this Stelo?
Yes.
Stelo, I also cannot see you.
Teacher,
Yes, Kiara.
I cannot see you.
Kiara, ask mommy to help us with your device, okay?
Now I can see you.
Now you can see me. Okay, good.
Yes.
Good.
But I was not finished to writing.
Okay, so write. This is what you wanted to write. You can write. Let's wait for Kiara. We are going to continue with reading our ch sound of words. Okay. Let's wait.
Yes.
You are finished, Kiara?
Yes, I was just writing phonics.
Okay, good, Kiara. Good. Now we are continuing with the reading. Who can read number 5? Number 5 is chirp. Chirp. What is that word?
Chicken.
What's the word? Yes, Kiara? Yes, Kiara? Cheap. Cheap. Yes. Chips are very, very cheap. Something that you can afford is cheap. Okay, good. Who can read number 6? Number 6 is cheese. Cheese. What's that word?
Cheese.
Yes, Luyando?
Cheese.
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 Yes, cheese. How many of us love cheese here? Do you eat cheese?
Yes.
I love cheese. I also love cheese. It's nice. You put it in bread. It's nice. You make a sandwich with it. Even those who love macaroni, you can do macaroni cheese with the cheese. Yes, I can see Luyando loves eating. You see Luyando is smiling. He loves cheese. He's thinking about eating cheese. Okay, good. Now let's go to the next one. We are still reading. Okay, we are still reading. Who can read number 7 for us? Number 7 is children.
Children.
What's that word?
Children.
Yes, Kiara?
Children.
Children. Together?
Children.
Children. Yes. All of you, you are children. Okay. You are all children. Okay. Yes. When there are many, there is Luyando, there is Liam, there is Ryan, there is Palesa, there is Kiara, there is Lutando. All of you, you are children. Let's make sure we write this word down. Let's write the words down so that you can read them. Okay. You practice reading them at home. Children. Yes. Let's go to number 8. Who can read number 8? Cheer. What's that word? I don't want you to, because if you say it, no, there's an R. There's an R at the end. No. This word is used. Have you ever seen when those of us who have gone to a running competition or a sports competition?
Yes.
Anyone? There will be people sitting. They're saying, Kiara, Kiara, Lutando, Ryan, Palesa, Liam. What do we call that? Ryan, Kiara, Palesa. What do you call that? Yes, Kiara?
Cheering.
Cheer, yes. Cheer. When people are cheering you. Yes. Ryan, sit properly there. Ryan.
Yes.
Properly there. When people are running or when someone is doing something wonderful and people are congratulating you, saying out your name and screaming loudly, they are cheering you. So that is called cheer, to cheer. Okay, someone is cheering you, that is cheer.
Yes.
Okay. When people are cheering you. Can we have Ryan? Ryan, read number 9. Ryan, read number 9. Ryan.
Child.
Child. Good
Child.
boy. Child. Let's all say
Child.
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 Child, yes. When there is one of you, we call you a child. When there are many, we call you them children. So child is for one. One child. Okay, one child. Let's go to the next one. I want us to read all of them before we end our lesson. I'm left with 5 minutes. Who can read this next one? Number 10. Child. Anyone to read that one? Yes, Palesa?
Chin.
No.
Chin.
Someone. This A, it says check, 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 check. Try again. Remember an A.
Chain.
An A.
Chain.
Check. Yes, Palesa?
Chain.
Chain. A chain.
Chain.
Yes, a chain.
Chain.
Yes.
Chain.
When mommy is closing the gate, she can put a chain. Do you know a chain?
Yes.
Yes. She can put a chain so that the thieves don't open the lock easily. She can put a chain. Okay? A chain. This is chain. Number 11. Someone to read.
Can
number
I see
11
you,
for us?
teacher?
Oh, Kiara,
Yes.
what happened now? You were seeing me all along? You can read number 11. Now you can see me. That one is chur. Chur. Read that one. I don't want to tell you because if I say it, you will know it. You go there every Sunday before the lockdown. You used to go there every Sunday or every Saturday. What is that place called? A church. Okay, the ara, you don't pronounce it as r, you just go church, church. Okay, a church. We go to the church. Number 12. Let's read number 12. Number 12. Can I see
you?
Can I see those who love watching Peppa Pig in cartoons? Those who love watching Peppa Pig. Yes, I know you love Peppa Pig, SpongeBob.
Yes.
Which ones do you, which other cartoons do you watch? Which other cartoons do you watch?
Patron. Patron.
Patron, there is Voltron. Which other ones? Yes, Kiara?
I like Zek.
Zexstorm, yes, Zexstorm. I know Zexstorm. Yes, Palesa?
Sophia and Elena.
Elena, yes, there is Sophia. Yes, Liam, which one do you like?
Power Ranger Peacemakers.
Power Rangers. When Mama has a remote, she changes that channel. Then she changes that. What we call that thing? It's a chart.
Remote. It is National Repair.
Yes. So what is this word now? Yes. What is this word now?
Cartoon.
Yes. What is this word now? Because there is that place where you want to change it into to watch your cartoons. What do you call it? Yes, Kiara?
Channel.
A channel. Good. Good. Which channel do you like? Which channel do you like? Yes, Kiara?
Barbie.
Oh, Stelo, I cannot see you as well, Stelo. Something has happened to your device. Okay, so before we end our lesson, who can tell us what did we learn about today? What did we learn about today? Anything that you can remember or a word that you can remember that you learned about today? Yes, Kiara?
Where's that started?
Learn about English.
Yes. Where's that start with ch? Yes. Luyando, what did you learn about?
Cheese.
Cheese.
And
Church. Good. Ryan, give me a word that you learned about today.
Cheese.
Cheese. Liam, a word.
Cheers.
Cheer. Good, Liam. Another word, Palesa, that you learned about today?
Teacher.
Yes, fellow.
Change.
Change.
Yes,
Yes,
teacher.
fellow. Yes, fellow.
Change.
Chair.
Change.
Good, fellow. Yes.
Change.
Chain.
Change. Children.
Children. Cheer. Channel. Good. All right, I'm going to send
Change.
work for you. I want you to make your own words using the
I want another lesson.
start. No, today we don't have
Teacher.
another lesson. It's a Friday. So, bye. Let's meet again on Monday. Bye. Bye.
Bye.
Bye.
Bye, Tiara. Bye, Pedro. Bye, Ashley.